Now, let's trace back to the production sheet 3, which identified the number for flaperon assembly 405RH with production sheet number B7*M38G175, part number 113W61009010CO3. But these numbers are also not seen on the inner surface of the flaperon, not in any of the 4 photographs. So, how come they concluded the item 1 flaperon is from 9M MRO? Let's look at the production sheet number 1. The information consistent with that in the production sheet number 3 and master schedule is the flaperon assembly number 405RH, not 404RH, and installed on ship set number MSN404. The production sheet number B7*M38G175 and the part number 113W61009010CO3 are also the same as in the production sheet 3, but these numbers are not seen in any of the 4 photographs. Whether the numbers might be found on flaperons of AAR serial number WC113 or the MH370 or a replaced flaperon of MH370, it needs further investigation and clarification. So both production sheets 1 and 3, master schedule, and the delivery document all did not provide evidence to prove that the flaperon produced, delivered, and assembled is the item 1 found on the Reunion Island. The critical record document in the production sheet 2, there is a linking to the flaperon assembly number 405RH and installed in shipset MSN number 404. It also provided the part number 113W61009010C03, but not useful to determine the identity of the flaperon. There is a serial number 3FZG81 in the flaperon can be clearly seen, and it is matched with the number written on the document. The question, is it authentic and written during the time of production, or was it written during the time of investigation? There is another part number 113W6142-2, which is the same as the part number seen on the photograph number 1, but it doesn't prove the flaperon is definitely broken off from MH370 in a crash. Whether the production information is the record for an all-use flaperon, it needs further investigation. It was reported in the safety investigation report that during taxiing at Pudong, Shanghai Airport, the 9M MRO had involved a collision in 2012, less than 2 years before its missing. That incident had damaged its right wing tip. There must be a repair or replacement. If it was including the flaperon, could the replaced old flaperon be the one found as the item 1? If that is the case, then it could be a possibility of conspiracy involved in the search of the MH370 aircraft. Based on simple cross-examination of the analysis, the identification plate number is missing. The repair on the joint mounting is absent. The part number B7M38G175 is absent. The part number 113W61009010C03 is absent. The serial number 026698 is absent. The only matched printed part number is 113W6142-2, which is printed on the photograph number 4 and production sheet 2. It might be a common part number for all other flaperons. However, the serial number on the box of flaperon is printed as 3FZG81, but on the production sheet 2 is printed as 026698. The handwritten 3FZG81 must be verified for authenticity. However, despite some confusion and controversy, on 2nd September 2015, an official statement from Airbus stated that, based on serial number appears in the photographs of the flaperon, quote, we can ensure that the flaperon assembly was delivered to Boeing in 2002 with destination to MSN 404 allocated to customer mass unit number WB175. So immediately or hastily the next day, as stated in the examination report, the Paris Public Prosecutor's Office confirmed that the flaperon did in fact come from aircraft 9M-MRO. That is unreasonable. It needs further clarification and investigation. Should item 1 be classified confirmed? Is the flaperon really originated from MH370? Without absolute evidence and further clarification, the status of item 1 flaperon should not be classified as confirmed from MH370. It might not be absolute confirmed.